Welcome to the Texas Immersive Institute, where out-of-the-box thinkers from all over UT come together to build, play, and explore the cultural intersection of innovation and entrepreneurship. Over a series of 3 courses, Texas Immersive students learn how to build unique and engaging experiences for audiences in real-world settings using emerging technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, haptics, and the Internet of Things. Texas Immersive goes beyond the classroom and into our lab. Here, students can get hands-on experience with cutting-edge immersive technologies like the Microsoft HoloLens, D-Box Haptics Chair, and Magic Leap augmented reality headsets. We also host workshops for students to learn practical technology skills, as well as monthly meetups where we go in-depth about how immersive technology is changing specific industries, such as travel, fashion, or mental health. Whether you want to join one of our research and development projects or just want to try on a headset for the first time, there's plenty to dive into at the Texas Immersive Institute, so check us out today.